Hello everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we do the research on all things health, wellness, and nutrition and deliver it to you right here. Let's dive right in. Many people go through life without a plan or intention. Like a leaf on the surface of water, the wind or water current takes them wherever. Here at Total Health Turnaround, we really care about your health and well-being. Trust me, you are worth it. Following some simple steps can add value and years to your life. These suggestions are backed by scientific research, and I will cite the studies below in the video description. By the end of this video, you will know 5 major areas of your health and well-being that you can improve. Please, look after yourself and your loved ones by incorporating these easy tips into your life. Let's dive right in. Our first topic is nutrition. Strive for a diet rich in colorful and varied fruits and vegetables. Proteins like wild-caught salmon, chicken, beef, and animal organ meats like heart and liver are essential to maximize your nutritional variety. Lastly, let's not forget about healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. This ensures a diverse intake of essential nutrients, vitamins, amino acids, and fats to support overall health. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and listen to your body's hunger cues to maintain a healthy weight. Overeating or emotional eating can sabotage your hard work. A great way to stay on track is to eat at similar times each day and use portion controls to avoid overeating and snacking. Slow down while eating, savoring each bite. This mindful approach can prevent overeating and improve digestion. Lastly, a simple eating hack is to stop eating before you feel full. Our next topic is hydration. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is essential for digestion, joint health, and overall vitality. Tap water is fine for watering plants, but even for showering, it is recommended that you use a chlorine filter if you're on public water. Also, most tap water has fluoride in it, which is not something that you should ingest. If you have concerns about the quality of your tap water, consider using a water filter. This can remove impurities while retaining essential minerals. A reverse osmosis filter is best. There are under-the-sink and countertop versions. These filters do have an upfront cost to them. To get an extra pure water on a budget, purchase distilled water, as it is made from turning water into steam and collecting it. Natural mineral water from springs can be a great choice as it often contains beneficial minerals like calcium and magnesium. Always check the label for content. Spring water is sourced from natural springs and is typically free from contaminants. It can be a refreshing, clean option. Carbonated or sparkling waters can be fun and hydrating alternatives, but be mindful of added sugars or artificial flavors in some commercial varieties. Look for no sugar versions. Coconut water is amazing. It's a naturally hydrating option rich in electrolytes like potassium. It can be a good choice after exercising to replenish lost fluids. This is a great option to supplement your hydration because of the potassium content, which many folks need to increase. The ideal amount of water you need can vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and climate. However, a general guideline on scientific research is roughly about 2 liters or half a gallon a day. Our third topic is mental and physical activity. Incorporate physical and mental activity into your daily routine. Activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can help maintain muscle strength, improve flexibility, and boost mood. Start slowly, maybe walking short distances at first, adding more walk time with each week. Most shopping malls have walkers, especially before most of the stores open. This is a great way to meet like-minded health enthusiasts. It's very important to keep moving. Challenge your mind with puzzles, reading, or learning new skills. Keeping your brain engaged can enhance cognitive function and memory. You can also try new musical instruments or listen to audible books. Stay socially active by spending time with loved ones, joining clubs, or volunteering. Positive social interactions promote emotional well-being. Our fourth important topic is getting regular checkups from your healthcare provider. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Early detection of health issues can lead to more effective treatment. Set these checkups on a calendar with a reminder alert to make sure you don't forget this important part of your overall wellness. Remember, no one can look out for you and your well-being better than you. Our fifth important pillar of health and well-being is sleep. Plan for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Quality sleep is vital for energy, mental clarity, and overall health. Some tips are to lay down 30 minutes before you want to fall asleep. Avoid blue light from TVs, laptops, or phone as it can disrupt your ability to fall asleep quickly. Lastly, make sure your room is dark and cool. Near 65 degrees is optional. Our last pillar in your health and wellness is stress reduction. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or gentle exercise. If you are unfamiliar with these ideas, there are phone apps and YouTube channels dedicated to these. They are much easier to do than you might think. Reduction of stress levels can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Please do not overlook these vital steps, as stress can damage your health. There you have it, 6 easy steps you can take to improve your overall health and longevity. Remember, you must plan to improve your health and well-being. As I said earlier, no one will look out for your health and well-being better than you. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really do appreciate your kind support. Please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.